Today's video regarding HP Envoy 6052 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the wireless Wi-Fi setup using the MacBook. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and your printer should be in the setup mode so that we can go ahead. Now go to the MacBook and open the HP Smart app. You can download the app from the App Store, and in the app you will see add printer button or a plus button. You just have to click anything, and on the next screen it will look for the HP Envoy printer, and here we can see it has displayed the printer name here. Also it says setup, so click on that. Just click on continue. On the next screen we see access Wi-Fi password for your Wi-Fi network, so just click continue. Automatically it will add up the printer by adding the password. So just wait for all the steps to complete. On the next screen we can see it says press the flashing information button. So here is the flashing information button, click it once. So on the next screen it says printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. So here is our printer and that's the Wi-Fi connection. Just click on the continue button. On the next screen you can send link to the other devices, or you can skip this step. Here we can see the printer is installed. So once the printer is installed, click OK. Print from here. So for example we can click on the print button and it will give a confirmation of the connection. Printer has printed the welcome sheet, and we can use it for the wireless printing and scanning. Also your printer is available in the app, so if you want you can do the wireless scan option is there. Also the print document option is here.